Hi friends, today we are going to get our backs stretched and strong, and this is a routine that you can do if you are a beginner, or if you do have more advanced flexibility. You're also welcome to do this one as just kind of like a chill back stretch, and then we are going to do a bit of strengthening at the end, which I highly encourage you to do no matter how flexible you are. It's very important that you have the strength to support it. It doesn't really matter if you can bend your back all the way to your toes if you're not able to hold those types of positions later. So I don't have a very flexible back to start with. I just never really focused on it growing up as a dancer, and even now. It's just not something I really care too much about. So that's why I say this is beginner friendly. So for every stretch or exercise, we'll be going on for 30 seconds, and then you'll have a 15-second break between them. And it's your choice if you just want to like hang out for that 15 seconds, or you might want to go back into a child's pose and like stretch your back in the opposite direction for those 15 seconds. It's really up to you. And then after we do 6 stretches, we're gonna go into our bridge stretch, but I'll give you a little bit longer of a break so you can like stand up and get in the right headspace to do that. Then we'll come back on the floor and do just a little bit of strength to finish it out. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get started. So go ahead and get to your hands and knees for this first exercise. I am gonna get this timer started. We're gonna go 30 seconds of just cat-cow stretches. So you're going down, reaching that neck up, and then hollowing out your back and reaching down. And just keep repeating that for 30 seconds, warming up that spine. Alright, we have 15 seconds. Go ahead and press down into, all the way down onto your belly. We're just going to press up into a cobra next for 30 seconds. You want to make sure that you're pressing up as high as you can and pushing out of the floor. So go ahead and push up. Use those hands. Walk them in close to you so that you can really push up that back. And relax down. You can relax here, or like I said, you can push back into child's pose. And back up. Down. So for this next one, you're actually going to just bring one arm out to the side like this, but you're still in that cobra position. Still pushing up nice and high. So this already is a little bit of strength because you're having to use that side of the arm to keep your body up, but it's still a nice, good back stretch. Relax down. If you need to stretch it out, stretch it out. We're going to do that same thing, but with the other arm. Press up. We're gonna do that again, but you're gonna bring one of the arms all the way up into a high fifth position, so up here, and push it up. Y'all keep going. I'm gonna have to restart my timer here. Okay, relax. One more time on the other side. And press up. Other arm up. Okay, from here we're gonna have that 20-second break, and we're gonna go into our bridge next. We're gonna do it 3 times for 30 seconds each. You'll have the 15 seconds rest in between, but try and walk your hands in as close as you can to your feet. That'll give you the best stretch, and you can get into it however you want. I'm gonna do it from right here on the floor, so let's go ahead and go. I'll try and let y'all know when there's like 5 seconds left, because you probably can't see your screens. You got 10 seconds. You can do it. Push through. Alright, 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay, we have 2 more rounds of that. That's it. And up. Please make sure that you're breathing through all of these. It's easy to hold your breath while you do this kind of stuff. Push through those hands. 3, 2, 1. Okay, only one more time. I'm already starting to sweat. And last time. Breathe through it. I hate it too, don't worry. Two, 1, down. Okay. Go ahead and roll yourself up slowly. And we're going to go into the strength portion of this workout. So we just have 2 more exercises to go. You're going to lay down onto your belly, and we're going to do little swimmers. So basically you're going to be laying out like this. Can y'all see me? Laying out like this. You're lifting the opposite arm and leg up in the air and switching. So let's do that for 30 seconds and get this done. And go. You're trying to keep your chest lifted off the ground. Okay, rest for 15 seconds. It's starting to rain here if you can hear noise in the background. I'm gonna try and finish this up before it storms. Okay, we're gonna repeat that again. Little swimmers, and go. And relax. Okay, this is the last exercise. We're only going to do it twice. You're going to push up your chest, but keep your arms down beside you, like this. And you're just bringing one arm up and down. So you go one arm and down, other arm out and down. And you're pushing your chest off the floor, using those back muscles, trying to stay as high as you can off the ground. Make sure that you're not crunching your neck to try and look up. You can just look down at the floor. Okay, relax. One last time. Do a quick stretch if you need to. And we'll finish this. Push up nice and high. You can do it. And you're done. Relax. Great job, you guys. Make sure that you really just take a second to stretch this out here. I'm going to go into my child's pose for a moment. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Do whatever else you need to do to stretch out that back. So you might want to come back into your cat-cow and just do a couple of those. And that should help you feel a little bit better. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed this. And I'm going to just go now because it's going to start pouring rain. You're not going to be able to see me or hear me anymore. So thank y'all for joining me. I'll put some other videos up here that you might want to watch. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!